sababu ya neema na rehema zake. Pia kumwambia Mungu ni asante kwa ajili ya vijana wetu kama wanafunzi wetu ambao wanafanya mtihani wakati huu, tukuombea mema na baraka za Mungu. Na pia tumekuja kusema kwamba hongera sana kwa gavana wetu wa Kisii kukubali ile pia ambayo imetusumbua irudi bunge. Tunaamini kwamba wakati mwingine wanapokuwa na neno linalohusu kanisa, atakuwa tukihitaji wachungaji ama viongozi wa kanisa wanakaa pasipo kufanya public participation bila kuhusisha viongozi wa kanisa. La pili pia ni kuambia wale ambao ni MCAS ile merudi bunge kisha kwamba wamepitisha yale ambao tunayaomba wapitishe na yale ambao hatuyataki wasijaribu kuyaweka. Tuko ngangari kabisa, tuko na kanisa na wakifanya makosa tuko nyuma yao. Hatutakubali wapitishe mambo ambao hata stahili kuongoza kanisa. Kanisa ni la Mungu, kanisa kwa Kenya kusaidia wa Kenya, na pia kanisa ndio njia ya uzima, na kanisa huwezi kuifanyia mchezo. Kanisa itakuangamiza, kanisa itakuwa na laana kwako. Tunaamini kwamba watafanya kazi njema. La mwisho ni kuambia wale ambao ni wachungaji wetu ambao wako na hasira kwa sababu mambo ambayo yanapitishwa na kaunti yetu, wawe kungojea kwamba mambo yataenda sawa.
I gathered here today to appreciate and acknowledge the quick response towards our appeal to the Kisii County Executive 1 week ago concerning the 2023 Finance Bill. This to us is a display of a very high degree of political majority and the fear of God that will build a just and cohesive society with social equity, respect to the rule of law, rights and freedoms of every individual, upholding the sanctity of our 2010 Constitution and the will of our founding fathers. All that said and done, we therefore advise the Kisii County Assembly that now the ball is in your court to make history as men and women who rose during their time above religious differences and political affiliations to defend the body of Christ against the encroachment of punitive tax measures. We are now on the same page that the following clauses of the 2023 Kisii County Finance Bill must be revoked, annulled, and repealed from the 2023 Kisii County Finance Bill. And that is 2 of 14, religious billboards on road reserves and buildings, religious advertisements on street light poles, religious mobile advertisements for crusades and even Christian power nights must not be taxed. Religious display of flags, religious construction sideboards, religious banners, religious tent pitching, religious posters, and finally religious signboards. Because of the following reasons, requiring churches to pay taxes could endanger the free expression of religion and violate the freedom of religion clause of the 2010 Kenyan Constitution. Further, a tax exemption for churches is not a subsidy to religion, but constitutional. 2, exempting churches from taxation contributes to the public good. Churches earn their tax exemption for the following reasons. They contribute to the public good through offering numerous social services, I repeat, to the people in need, including orphanages, homeless shelters, scholarships, after-school programs for poor families, assistance to victims of domestic violence. This effort to relieve the government of doing what it could otherwise be obliged to undertake. The poor and disadvantaged people relying on assistance from the local churches could suffer if churches were to lose their tax-exempt status. 3, if these taxes could see the light of the day, then it could further endanger the new tax burden to the same members who pay tax from Monday through the day of worship. Now, to our fellow pastors and the clergy, we plead for patience as we wait for the Kisii Assembly members' wisdom. In conclusion, therefore, the right to conscience, belief, and opinion underscores church autonomy, ensuring that church activities are free from state interference, thus the justification of the tax exemption.